We have a Miročki burger and it looks like this.
My name is Marko Milicevic. I cook, I travel, I eat, and my motto is always ask for more.
G'day people, from Belgrade again. It's COVID and we're not able to travel a lot, so yeah, gonna see me a lot in Belgrade. Anyway, it's not so windy today. I hope you're gonna be able to hear me, because we're gonna talk about barbecue. We're gonna talk about burgers particularly. I mean, you saw the episode about Serbian barbecue. Serbia, as the entire Balkan Peninsula, is really famous for barbecue and meat in particular. And Serbian barbecue, Ljeskovica, and all this barbecue meat culture in Serbia is great. It's really huge, it's a really big deal, and it's really important to Serbian culture and tradition. Burgers, on the other hand, are not. They're different. Burgers are burgers, and Ljeskovica is Ljeskovica. It's completely different type of meat. It's completely different type of food, different preparation and everything. However, there is one place, really old place, like 2.5 decades place, really famous for its barbecue. And whoever spent some time in Belgrade ate there. It's called Stepin Vajat, and it's really one of the most awesome places in Belgrade to eat meat, to have a barbecue, especially after party when you're drunk as hell. You need some good quality piece of meat and you go there. If you are a football fan, both of our biggest stadiums are there, so after every game you all go there. And I spent quite a few nights there myself. However, why I'm talking about this, that great traditional barbecue place called again Stepin Vajat opened a new place downtown, but it's not a place with just a regular barbecue which they're doing at the old place, which is amazing, which is really cool. They moved a step forward and they made tradition go forward and modernized. So what they did, they made first Serbian burger. And when I say burger, it's really a proper burger. And when I say first Serbian burger, it does not mean that they are the first one to do it. There are a lot of different burger places in Belgrade, really good ones, to be honest. Serbian, because they really put the entire map of Serbia on that plate. I'm gonna show you that a bit later. They took the most authentic ingredients from all over the Serbia and they put it right there in their burgers. So they moved from traditional to modern, but they kept the quality and they kept using local ingredients. That's why it's the first Serbian burger. And yet again, it's not Ljeskovica, it is a burger. And we're gonna go inside now because it's cold, and we're gonna try them. So basically, when you come here and you order a burger, I ordered 3. You get burgers that look like this, and this burger, is called double decker. As you can see, you can tell why. I did get some fries with it, ordered some fries. Also, I love onion rings, so I had to go with those. Nuggets, cheese nuggets, and there are homemade pies, deep fried. We're gonna come to that later. It's absolutely delicious. It's a proper double burger. It's really good. I'm not kidding. They also do their own homemade barbecue sauce with plum, so it's typical traditional Serbian thing. It's smoky, it's sweet, it's ripe plum. It's really good. I really like it. Also, homemade, what should I call it? Chili paste. Also, they make it here. So let's try. As you know, I really love spicy food, so I hope it's really spicy. It's so good. It's refreshing. It's not as spicy as I would love to, but it's spicy enough. I mean, probably for the most of the people it is spicy, but I'm insane, so really good. Love it. So I tried double decker, and this one is with pepper, with paprika. I mean, look at it. It is a proper burger. It's not. It's really far away from Pljeskavica. It's really American style burger. Let's give it a try. It's different. I mean, you have roast pepper in the middle of burger. It's really specific taste, and it's working. It's really good. It's really good. So what you have is a cream cheese, iceberg, spicy pepper, cheesy paste that we have here, red onion, and yeah, roasted pepper and bacon, and it works really good. Wow, really good burger. Yeah, don't mind the mess here. I mean, it's all delicious, it's all great, but I'm here to try. So we have a Miročki burger. Miročki is the name of the cheese they put inside. It's typical Serbian cheese from Miroč. It's white cheese, and they grill it together with the burger in a bacon fat, and it looks like this. As I can see inside, there is, burger, there is bacon, there is barbecue sauce with plum, there is cheese, and there is an onion jam and pickles. And I've been told this is one of the best here, so I'm kind of looking forward to try it. Cheese bath. It is one of the best here. I mean, oh yeah. Wow, it's really good. It's greasy, sweet, spicy, smoky. Pickles are working perfectly with this cheese. It's amazing. It's really one of the best, definitely. The cool thing about this place, as I told you, it's a tradition, modernized tradition, 25 years and more. Modernized into this new place they opened. And the cool thing about the place is that there are no like 100 burgers and 100 options. You have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 burgers, and I've been told they're gonna add a few more. Really cool stuff. I hope we're gonna film again here. and try the new flavors. And they will add vegan burger because they don't have a vegan option here, obviously. They have a classic burgers. You have a burger with with Serbian condiments, with kajmak and eggs and smoked bacon. You have truffle oil burger. Also, Pirot, the city in South Serbia, they have the one from there. Pies. They made their own pies here. So we have a vanilla cherry pie, and we have Nutella and Serbian plasma. If you don't know what plasma is, Google. It's like a living legend. And if it's fried, I mean it's homemade, then it's fried to look. It does look like a fried pie from McDonald's, but it's not. It smells way better, and it looks really cool. It looks way better than McDonald's pie. It smells delicious. Let me try to open without. Look at this. Come on, give me a drink. Look how great this is. Wow. Look how it's dripping. Unbelievable. Alright, this one is vanilla cherry. I would go with chocolate and cherry as well, but they do have white chocolate and forest fruit. So yeah, that's a good option as well. So vanilla and cherry. Wow, look at this. Look at this. This is a proper fruit inside. It's real vanilla. Well, so basically this is what happens when you take tradition, 25 years and more of tradition, and you work hard to get to perfection, and you do. And at one point you realize you have to move forward, not to get too stuck in the past. You can't live off the old glory. I mean, they do, but still. They made a bold move, and it's a success. They made proper burger, proper Serbian burger with local Serbian traditional ingredients, traditional way. They really put the map of entire country into these burgers. Into these 8 burgers. Actually, it's going to be 11 soon, and it's working. It's really working. Definitely, if you are in Belgrade again, downtown, I'm going to put a link, of course, as always, in the description of the video, the Instagram account, the address, everything. Definitely come check them out. You won't be disappointed. I give you my word. It's absolutely amazing. Delicious. So thank you for being here, for following. Subscribe if you're not. If you are, thank you. See you next time. We're preparing something really cool in the future, and I think you're gonna love it. We're gonna add more people. It's gonna be more diverse, and we're getting ready for the Christmas season. So stay tuned. See you soon.